Hi, I am Shakil. I am professional and specialized Instagram marketer. Do you know Instagram? What is Instagram? Instagram is photo and video sharing social networking service originally created for smartphone. The platform has scored in popularity, especially among millennials. What is Instagram marketing? Instagram marketing is the way that brands use Instagram to connect with their target audience and market their offerings. Recently, it's giant and popularity marketplace in social media. Instagram related my service. Create and manage an Instagram business account. Schedule post and create post. Hashtag recharge. Organic followers. Create username and niche research. Instagram account management. Then Instagram marketing more details. Feel free to message me. Thank you.